Let's fill out the Utah Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When you're selling a dirt bike in this state, let's walk through exactly what you need on that bill of sale. First, the document itself can be handwritten or typed and printed. But here's an important detail. It must be written in ink, not pencil. So put that pencil away and grab a pen. Now, for signatures. The seller needs to provide their full name, address, and signature on the document. The buyer needs to provide their name and address as well. Here's some good news. You do not need a notary to sign off on the title. That's one less step to worry about. You will need to include an odometer disclosure, so make sure the current mileage is documented on the bill of sale. The purchase price of the vehicle must also be clearly stated. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.